Teachers, are you ready? Saina ma'am, are we ready? Good evening, everybody. On behalf of the early primary wing, I extend a very warm welcome to all the people present here. Today, about 600 students will be performing a cultural show before you. Econs, can I hear silence? Water, water. So about 600 students are going to perform before you. What you will see here is just not the showcase of the work they've been doing for past 3 weeks, but a culmination of several weeks of their progress and development. I know you have come to see your child perform, but I will say one thing, that observe for something more. Observe how they organize themselves on the stage. Observe how rhythmically they dance, how beautifully they communicate, and most importantly, how joyful, confident, and organized they are. They are all excited with the lights. They are happy. Many people have helped us to organize this show. I would like to thank some of the people. Thank you, Ms. Aparna and Mr. Harish, for arranging such a fantastic stage for us. Thank you, Ms. Padmavati and Ms. Jayalakshmi, for being a pillar of strength. Thank you, Mr. Pardasardi and the security team. Thank you, Mr. I'm getting really disturbed. Huh? Okay. So, very warm welcome to all the parents present here. I would like to, in this gathering this evening, we have amongst us our Director Education and Principal of Mighty Oaks Campus, Dr. Sita Murthy, Vice Principal, Ms. Sangeeta Prati, the leadership team, dear parents, grandparents, siblings, econs, and my dear colleagues. A very warm welcome once again. I think our students are really excited. I will not take a lot of time. I would like to thank parents also for all their support and cooperation. We asked you to come in ethnic dress, preferably the costume of your state. So how many parents have come in the costumes? East and Northeast. How many of you are there? Could you please stand up? East and Northeast. Okay, we have few of them. North. How many of you are in the costume of North? Thank you, you look beautiful. How many of you are from West of India? Today in the costume of West of India? Okay, good to see that. How many of you are from South? I'm sure majority of you are here. Beautiful. We appreciate your support and cooperation. Now I request Sita ma'am to come up on the stage and address the gathering.
Good evening, all the parents, and welcome to this lovely evening. With this show, we'll conclude the Festival of Operas for this academic year. Yesterday, we had 900 children on the stage. This evening, before this show, we had nearly 300 children, and now another 600. 1,800 children in 2 days. All our teachers worked hard with them to make sure that they present confidently and joyfully on the stage. Many years ago, we went to invite somebody as the chief guest for the annual day, for the opera. You know what he said? I won't be interested in coming as a chief guest to a show where somebody's children are dancing. What is my interest in that, in watching somebody's children dance on the stage? Having heard that, it's almost 10 years since we ever called any chief guest, because the only people who will be interested in watching your children on the stage is you and us. Only parents and the teachers. And for me and my colleagues in the school, the 5 campuses of Silver Oaks, I go to Visakhapatnam, cheer for their children. In both the campuses there. I go to Oakdale campus here, I go to Oakwinds campus there. All the 7,000 plus children in our schools, when they come onto the stage, we celebrate as much as the parents celebrate. It's such a beautiful feeling when we sit there and watch, and we always say one thing, we deserve the first row. Actually, parents may think, my child is on the stage, why am I sitting in the last row? You didn't train them, no, to dance on the stage. You didn't train them to sing and anchor, no? Our teachers and us worked very hard to bring them on the stage. So we deserve the first row. Because we enjoy, clap, cheer for every child who speaks or dances or sings on the stage. We might have seen them in pre-primary. We will see them in grade 1 and 2. We'll see them in grade 10 also later. But the joy of seeing children happily come onto the stage and celebrate their talent, showcase it to their parent. And now when they come, by the way, they look for you. Don't start waving and distracting them, because they have to be with their group and collectively they have to present a show. So before I bring them onto the stage, 2-3 pieces of advice. Please take more responsibility and ownership and quality time in parenting. It's extremely important at time when everything can distract your children. Take good time, quality time to spend with your children. Don't indulge them with devices, but buy storybooks. Make sure that it's a good habit to read along with them. I'm sure during weekends, all of you have busy schedule, but Saturday and Sunday, take time, sit with them and read stories with them. Create a different culture for them. You need not go with the way the world is going. So I have to tell you this interesting experience and observation that we have seen in the school. If we ask children to recite poetry, they recite. If we ask children to read something in a very, very good articulation, they do that. If we entertain them or we present them with classical dances or other such forms which they don't see regularly, they sit and watch. But the moment filmy songs are played, the way their hormones respond is completely different. But in the school for the last 24 years, we made sure filmy songs, even if we play their age appropriate lyrics, and make sure that children don't feel beyond their age. But because of the Ganesh festivals, New Year festivals in your communities, children start emoting for lyrics which are not appropriate to their age. So I feel very concerned to see a 7-year-old or an 8-year-old emoting like an 18-year-old girl for a song from a brash Tollywood or Hollywood movies or Bollywood movies. So as an advice to the parents, what music, dance, social and cultural exposure your children get, you need to be very possessive about that. Ganesh Chaturthi is not to dance raunchy Telugu numbers, nor is it for New Year's for that matter. The world may go in one way, but you choose what your children, what kind of exposure they should get. Lastly, the way you talk about the school, the way you talk about the teachers, the teaching and learning, that's the respect your children will develop. If at all you make them feel that it's okay, I'll come and talk to your teacher. How can she talk to you like that? Your child will never respect the teacher. Your child will always look up to you, wanting you to come and rescue him for the mistake that he has done. In the last 2 months, I have been telling them in the school assembly, while we emphasize on character and competence, we are also focusing on developing courage in them. Because children very easily complain about things. But we started telling them, reasoning it out with them, that if there's somebody who's making fun of your name, calling you nicknames, walk up to them, ask them, please don't do that, I don't like it. That's called resilience or courage. No, resilience could also be to ignore it completely. I want all the parents to teach your children the courage to stop wrong things or the resilience to ignore it, because you can't bring up children insulated from the challenges of the world. They need to know how to face it on their own. The inner strength has to be built in them. We're always working on building independence in them and responsibility. I request all the parents to focus on that. Don't make them into babies dependent on you and let them not think that parents are only there to take my complaints and tell them. My parents are also there to share what I learned today in the school, what I did in the school bus, and what fun they had in the school. These are more important engagements at home or dining table conversations if you have time for that. But make sure that there's quality parenting which your children deserve. On that note, I am ready to enjoy 600 of acorns from grade 1 to 2 coming onto the stage and light it up. Are you looking forward to it? Are you going to cheer for it? Like this? Oh my God, you sound so dull. I'm going to tell the children not to dance for you. Basanti, over to you.
Insight, tips, and words. So today's theme is about celebrating diversity. While practicing on this theme, our students have learned to appreciate the diversity of our country. Today, they have only one goal. Can you guess? What could be the goal of our icons who will be performing on the stage? To impress you. So please continue applauding as they perform. They are very happy and excited, and we want to see the same kind of excitement reciprocating. So, parents, are you ready? Over to you, Nicole and Karthik.
With every turn of the page, just like a kaleidoscope, you will see India change from one state to another, from one dance form to the next, each unique and vibrant.
India is a land where every few hundred kilometers the language changes, the food tastes different, the clothes look new, and the music finds a fresh beat.
Yet, no matter where we go, the warmth of people, the spirit of celebration, and the sense of belonging remain the same.
Today, we celebrate an India where diversity is not just seen but felt. An India that dances, sings, and tells its stories with pride. So sit back and enjoy the show.
Grandma, meet my classmate Josh. He's from Australia. He will stay in India for some time.
Hello, Josh Beta. Welcome to India. Are you liking being here?
Namaste, Grandma. Yes, I'm excited to be here. Everything is so colorful. Grandma, Josh and his family want to tour India. Can you suggest some good places?
Just some? Arey beta, India has so many good places. Even Google Maps get confused. But wait, I have an idea. Let my diary take you on an adventure through all the places I visited.
Wow, a travel diary? That sounds incredible. Grandma, please take us on your India tour.
Here you go. Handle it carefully.
Josh, now we have a complete travel guide. Let's explore now. Thank you, Grandma.
This place smells like fresh tea leaves, and Grandma loves tea. Modern Wi-Fi.
Do you know Assam has Asia's largest river island, Majuli?
Oh, really? Good to know. What did Grandma do in Assam?
She walked in the green tea gardens, saw the one-horned rhinoceros in Kaziranga, and danced Bihu with the locals.
Bihu? Bihu is the most famous festival of Assam, and it's not just one festival. There are 3 different Bihus celebrated in a year. People celebrate nature, harvest, and togetherness with singing, dancing, and eating traditional food. Birds chirping, blooming flowers during Bihu symbolizes the arrival of spring and new life. It shows that nature celebrates Bihu along with people.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our friends from Asteroids and Bias representing the spirit of Assam with a melodious remix of Bengali and Assamese song. What a terrific performance! We are sure that it transported you to a beautiful land of Northeast. Moving on.
Can you guess the next stop?
We'll give a clue. It is a state with white desert that looks like a snow, but it is actually salt and has a statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world.
You're right. We're talking about Gujarat. So colorful that even a rainbow feels shy. Grandma enjoyed the kite festival with thousands of kites fighting in the sky.
And at night, Garba, she almost spun like a top. Garba and Dandiya are synonyms with Gujarat. These dance forms are expressions of happiness.
Do you know that Garba is inscribed on the UNESCO's list of the intangible cultural heritage?
Wow, we are proud of that. Both of these dance forms are so much fun that they are most popular with all age groups.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready as Gujarat is calling. Our friend from Sun, Yamuna, clouds and Brahmaputra are going to swirl, wall and tap to the melodious tunes.
Sit back, smile, and soak in the festive energy of Gujarat. And if you're not able to hold back, you can join us too.
नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम हाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम ये धिनकनात आजा और के सरट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम हाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम रे खट खट बाज दस तक हो ना अब तक आया रे तब से हाँ देखी ना हिट अब तू खोल पाए आजा मन घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम की बोल रे संग बोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम हाय नगर संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम
મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे हो गई रात મને ભૂલો બધી तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां सोगा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात सोगा तारा ओए चबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे सोगा तारा ओए चबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे सोगा तारा ओए चबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे
ढोलीरा ढोल हैया बाबा के बगे ढोलीरा ढोलीरा ढोल हैया बाबा के बगे ढोलीरा ढोलीरा ढोल हैया बाबा के बगे ढोलीरा ढोलीरा ढोल हैया बाबा के बगे ढोलीरा
What a beautiful performance by our friends. The next stop is Kashmir. When you're in Kashmir, the surrounding looks like a painting. So scenic. Just picture perfect.
Colorful shikara on the lake. Tulip garden, there the whole ground looks like a rainbow.
Floating markets. Sounds cool. I really want to go and experience it.
Why not? Do you know Kashmir grows the world's most expensive spice?
Can you all guess the name of it? That's right, saffron. Dear audience, get ready for our next performance. Our friends from Comets and Ganges are coming to enthrall you with their performance.
चल चलेंगे चार चनारों से मिलेंगे चल चलेंगे चार चनारों से मिलेंगे है वादी कश्मीर बहारों से मिलेंगे बहारों से मिलेंगे वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर लेकिन दिन घायलों सरगम के मीठे मीठे सुर भोरो सरगम के मीठे मीठे सुर भोरो
बुमरा बुमरा शाम रंग बुमरा 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 शाम रंग बुमरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम बुमरा बुमरा शाम रंग बुमरा 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 शाम रंग बुमरा आए हो किस बगिया से हो तुम घबरियो शाम भरे खुशियों को साथ लाए मेरे की याद में हम लेके सौगात आए
हो काजल का रंग लाए नजर उतारने को बाहों से फूल लाए रस्ते सवारने को
काजल का रंग लाए नजरें उतारने को बाहों से फूल लाए रस्ते सवारने को आओ मेरे की छाँव में गीत सुनाए झूमे नाचे सांस खाए जश्न मनाए बुमरा बुमरा शाम रंग बुमरा 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 शाम रंग बुमरा आए हो किस बगिया से ओ तुम
What an incredible performance. They deserve another round of applause. Moving on, Grandma's next stop is Punjab.
Sorry for disturbing. I appreciate parents want to take pictures. We have fantastic videographer and photographer. What's the point in capturing your child's shoulder, head, neck? I'm sitting there and watching how you're capturing. It's actually meaningless. Please enjoy the show. We'll send the videos very soon to you. And don't sit in this center because a videographer, then the show will only be for you and not for the rest of the audience here. Please do not disturb.
Another round of applause. Moving on, Grandma's next stop is Punjab.
Absolutely right. Next stop is Punjab, where even the air is energetic.
True, the land of color. True, the land of energy, color, and warm-hearted people. The Golden Temple, where thousands of people are fed for free every day.
While in Punjab, Grandma ate makki di roti and sarson da saag until she couldn't move.
Did she dance? Dance? Of course! She did full-on bhangra!
Dear audience, hold your hearts. Our friends from Cosmos, Godavari, Satellite, Satluj are coming to make you groove and take you down the memory lane.
Can you guess what songs are we going to dance on? Let me give a clue. They are the most popular numbers of the late 90s. We are sure once we begin, you will feel like joining us.
da 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 ਢੋਲਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਕੋਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਨਾ ਹੋ ਰੱਬ ਹੱਥ ਸਾਡੀ ਢੋਲਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਕੋਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਨਾ ਹੋ ਰੱਬ ਹੱਥ ਸਾਡੀ ਢੋਲਣਾ ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਯਾਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਬਰੰਗੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਭੈੜੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਯਾਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਬਰੰਗੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਭੈੜੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਯਾਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਬਰੰਗੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਭੈੜੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਯਾਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਬਰੰਗੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਭੈੜੀ ਨਾ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੀ ਸੁਣ ਯਾਰਾ ਬੋਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਰਾ ਮਹਿੰਦੀ ਦਾ ਯਾਰਾ ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਤੁੜਕ 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 ਦਾ 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 ਉਹ ਗੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਟੀਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਗੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਟੀਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਛੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਟੱਟੂ ਤੇ ਟੱਪ ਚੜਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਜੰਜੂਰੀ ਕਲੋਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਜੰਜੂਰੀ ਕਲੋਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਉਹ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਬੋਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਲਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਖਿੱਚਦੀ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਬੋਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਲਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਖਿੱਚਦੀ ਆਸ਼ਿਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਵੇ ਰਚਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਮਹਿੰਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਮਹਿੰਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਉਹ ਗੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਟੀਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਗੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਟੀਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਛੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਟੱਟੂ ਤੇ ਟੱਪ ਚੜਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾ ਕੰਜੂਰੀ ਕਲੋਲ ਕਰਦੀ
Wow, what a fantastic performance by our friends. The next destination is Kerala, God's own country. Grandma says she felt like she was dreaming. Coconut trees swaying, shiny backwaters, green forests, and beautiful beaches everywhere. She even spent a night on a houseboat. Can you imagine? A hotel that floats on water? And then she watched the famous Kathakali dance with bright colors, big costumes, and expressions you will never forget. She visited Trishurpuram, which depicts Kerala's heritage, celebrating the unity among communities through its majestic display of decorated elephants, vibrant percussion, and festival artistry.
The next performance captures beauty and charm of Kerala's backwaters in Kutanal, celebrating village life through the rhythm of rowing, the grace of nature, the warmth of togetherness, and the heritage of Trishur.
Dear audience, get ready to feel the vibe of Kerala as we bring you our next performance by our friends from Meteors and Kaveri.
ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാം ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാം പുഞ്ചയിലെ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം വരവേൽക്കാനാളു വേണം കൊടിത്തോരണങ്ങൾ വേണം വിജയശ്രീ ലാളിതരായി വരുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കിളി പോലെ കുതിച്ചു കുതിച്ചു പായും കുതിര പോലെ തോൽവിയെന്നറിയാത്ത തലകടലറിയാത്ത കാവാലം ചുണ്ടനീത ജയിച്ചു വന്നു കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ കൊത്തു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം പമ്പയിലെ പൊന്നോടങ്ങൾ ഓടി വന്നു പൂണരുന്നു തങ്കവയിൽ നെറ്റിന്മേൽ പൊട്ടുകുത്തുന്നു പെങ്ങോലകൾ പൊന്നോലകൾ മാടി മാടി വിളിക്കുന്നു തെന്നൽ വന്നോറിഞ്ചാമരം വീശിത്തരുന്നു കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ കൊത്തു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം
That was an awesome performance. Moving on, the next stop in Grandma's diary is Andhra, which is now Andhra and Telangana.
Yes, Telangana is the youngest state in India, and just like siblings, Andhra and Telangana share the same roots.
We speak the same language, enjoy the same festivals, and honestly, food without pickle is impossible for us, and our love for cinema is something that connects us all.
And of course, our loyalty to biryani is unquestionable. While Andhra Pradesh is known for its grand temples, long golden beaches, and super spicy food,
Telangana shines with the charm of Hyderabad, the city of Charminar, pearls, Hussain Sagar Lake, the giant Buddha statue, and of course the legendary biryani.
the performances today celebrate devotion, culture, village life, and joyful traditions. They show the beauty of Telugu heritage through praise, unity, nature, relationships, and festive spirit.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our friends from galaxies, Indus, Moon, and Mahanadi as they bring alive the spirit of Telugu tradition through music, movement, and celebration.
Parents, please take care of your children. We just had an incident. We were searching for a 5-year-old. We found her luckily. Please take care of your children. Don't leave them unattended.
అనగనగా ఒక ఊరు, అనుకోకుండా ఒకనాడు కలిసారి పసివాళ్ళు స్నేహంగా. సంతోషమంతా రెక్కలుగా నివ్వంటూ ఎగిరే పక్షులుగా ఆకాశమంతా ఆటాడుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు సరదాగా. ఒకరేమో సీను, ఒకరేమో చున్ను, కలిసారే ప్రాణంగా కురిసారే వర్షంగా. పాటేమో సీను, ఆటేమో చున్ను, ఒకటై ఎదిగారే మధురంగా. పల్లె కోడి కూతల్లే ఒల్లిరుసుకుంటే కోడెలాగల్లే యాప పుల్లల షేదు నమిలిందే రామ 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 రామ. తలకు మోసుకుంటే నానేల తల్లే అలికి మోసుకుంటే ముక్కు సుకల్లే సత్తి ముటల్లే సగబెట్టుకుందే బాయి దీర్ఘమా
ఏ తెల్ల
ధారలల్ల పల్లె తెల్లారుతుంటదిరా ముళ్ళోని కంటలు కాడెట్ల మెడలోన చెంటగా మోగుతూ ఉంటాయిరా నాగలి పూజన పెట్టుకుంటే దోస్తులు చెయ్యేసినట్టేరా కొట్టు కోదా పక్కన ఉంటే కొండంత బలగం ఉన్నట్టురా చల్లగాలి మోసుకొచ్చేదా సేను సిలకల ముచ్చట్లు దారి పొడుగు చెట్ల కొమ్మలా దారుతున్న పూల సప్పట్లు గట్టి మోపులు కాల్వ గట్టులు చెమట సుక్కల్లో తడిసిన ఈ మట్టి గంధాల
పల్లెటూరు దీని తీరే అమ్మ తీరు రంగులోన రాసి కట్టి కొడుకుకిచ్చే కొప్పులోని పువ్వమ్మ బాయి కాడి బొట్టమ్మ కొప్పులోని పువ్వమ్మ బాయి కాడి బొట్టమ్మ గంగా దాటిపోతమ్మ గంగీయు కాలి కమలమ్మ గంగా దాటిపోతమ్మ గంగీయు కాలి కమలమ్మ చేను గట్ల పువ్వమ్మ ఉషికేలోని గౌరమ్మ చేను గట్ల పువ్వమ్మ ఉషికేలోని గౌరమ్మ ధీర నా ధీర ధీర నా ధీర నా ధీర ధీర నా ధీర నా ధీర నా ధీర ధీర నా ధీర నా ధీర ధీర నా ధీర నా ధీర ధీర నా
ప్రణామం 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 ప్రభాత సూర్యుడికి ప్రణామం 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 సమస్త ప్రకృతికి ప్రణామం ప్రయాణం 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 విశ్వంతో మమేకం ప్రయాణం
ఆది లక్ష్మి అలమేలమ్మకు అందమైన గొప్పిళ్ళు కన్ని పిల్లల కోర్కెలు తీర్చే వెన్నాలయ్యకు గొప్పిళ్ళు ఆ వెన్నాలయ్యకు గొప్పిళ్ళు ముద్దుల గుమ్మ బంగారు బొమ్మ రుక్మిణమ్మకు గొప్పిళ్ళు ఆ రుక్మిణమ్మకు గొప్పిళ్ళు గొప్పియల్లో కొండలయ్యకు గొప్పిళ్ళు ఆది లక్ష్మి అలమేలమ్మకు అందమైన గొప్పిళ్ళు
కమలాలయ శ్రీదేవి కురిపించవే కరుణాంబురాసి దీం తారా జతులతో ప్రాణమే నాట్యం చేసే గతులతో నామశతం మూల నతులతో నాపైన నీ చూపు ఆవేలా
హైలో హైలే సారే హరిదాసులు వచ్చారే దోసటి దాసులు తేరే కప్పుని నింపైరే దూడు బసవడు చూడే వాకిట నిల్చున్నాడే అల్లరి చేస్తున్నాడే సన్నడి మునగాడే కొత్తన్నుళ్ళ అజమాయిషీలే బావ మరదళ్ళ చిలిపి వేషాలే కోడి పగల కొరమళ్ళే తోడు పెకటరాయళ్ళే వాడ వాడంత సరదాలే చెప్పులేసెలా పండగొచ్చే గొప్పియల్లా ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ గొప్పియల్లా come to పల్లెటూరు
mesmerizing performance.
OMG, what is Grandma doing? Where is she?
Looking like Grandma is eating vada pav, puran poli and modak. Yes, we are talking about her visit to Maharashtra, the state of speed and spirit.
While she was there, she saw Mumbai's tall buildings and visited a real film studio.
Bollywood? Did she meet a movie star?
No, but she visited the Gateway of India and the beautiful Ajanta Ellora caves.
Do you know Mumbai's local train carries more people daily than the population of Australia?
Seriously? That sounds like a lot of people. I do not intend to travel by local trains. I think I will get lost.
That is not all that to Maharashtra. It is land of forts and festivals.
The rhythmic, joyful, and energetic Koli dance where they celebrate the sea and their goddess, Gudi Padwa, the festival of new beginnings, victory, and joy, and the devotion to Ganapati Bappa brings people together.
Maharashtra celebrates joy in every moment. Dear audience, get ready to feel the heartbeat of Maharashtra through our next performance. Please welcome our friends from Milky Way, Krishna, Stars and Tapti.
सन तुझा हयो बरसाचा नसन हाय तुझा गयो बरसाचा सन तुझा हयो बरसाचा निसन हाय नारली पुनवचा सन आयलाय गो नारली पुनवचा मनी आनंद मावना फुल्यांची दुनियेचा
सन आयलाय गो नारली पुनवाचा मनी आनंद मावना फुल्यांची दुनिये
सन आयलाय गो नारली पुनवचा मनी आनंद मावना फुल्यांची दुनियेचा
हायकोली सोरील्या डोलीर मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हनियन गोली कचल जाऊ बाजारी हायकोली सोरील्या डोलीर मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हनियन गोली कचल जाऊ बाजारी हायकोली सोरील्या डोलीर मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मार्किन कोली हनियन गोली कचल
तुला
गुढी पाडव्याचा सण आता उभारा रे गुढी नव्या वर्षाच दिन सोडा मनातली आढी गेलं साली गेली आढी आता पाडवा पाडवा तुम्ही येरा बरी लोभ वाढवा वाढवा गुढी पाडव्याचा सण आता उभारा रे गुढी नव्या वर्षाच दिन सोडा मनातली आढी
धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती ही धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ध्यानदाता विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ध्यानदाता मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया
Before we flip the last page of Grandma's diary, what an entertaining performance! They deserve a big round of applause. She forgot it. Before we flip the last page of Grandma's diary, we would like to appreciate all the people who have put this show together.
We begin by thanking our Sita ma'am and Dhananjay sir for providing us with such a grand experience. For choreography, we would teachers Miss Subhashri, Miss Swapna, Miss Sapna, Miss Sayana, Miss Idishna, Miss Arpita, Miss Naomi, Miss Pujita, and Miss Ipsita.
Thank you, Stanley sir, for sound engineering. Mr. Parthasarathi and team, thank you for ensuring our safety and security.
Mr. Ramu, thank you for managing the transport. Geeta ma'am, thank you for arranging the props. Thank you, Mr. Nagarjuna, for providing us with resources.
Thank you to all the parents for purchasing the beautiful costumes and for your presence today, which encouraged us. Thanks to Mr. Mohan Rao and his team of sports coaches for supporting us. Moving on, let us see where Grandma's diary is taking us now. Now, Grandma's diary takes us straight into the desert.
Yes, Rajasthan, the land of kings, queens, palaces, and colors that shine brighter than the sun. Do you know Rajasthan has the world's largest living fort, Jaisalmer Fort, where the people still live inside?
Grandma visited the majestic Amer Fort and rode on a camel. She watched the famous Ghumar dance, where dancers twirl in huge colorful skirts that look like spinning flowers.
Rajasthan is known for warmth, hospitality, and respect for guests, a core value of Rajasthan culture. They even have iconic song for welcoming the guests.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a swirl of colors and beats, presenting our friends from Planets and Narmada for a Rajasthani performance.
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी, मन बीत कराओ जी, अरे क्यों तरसावे हो, मन शकल दिखाओ जी, हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर सले उन्हें बंगाली में कह लगे, मर लिबड़े में जागी धोकनी, चंदा में भारी चांदनी, मन दामन में बाबी खुशी रे, झुम 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 झुम, हमारे लिबड़े में जागी धोकनी, चंदा में भारी चांदनी, मन दामन में बाबी खुशी रे, झुम 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 झुम। आओ जी आओ घूमर रे फिलवान, पधारो सा घूमर रे फिलवान, अलम तारो गुरर गुरर गुररा, आस मारो जीवड़ो लड़ो हिचकावे, ओ घबरावे मन में भावे, मारो भागलो हमारे मन भावे, चमक चमक बाजे पायल बाजे बाई सकेले, चमक चमक घुगरा बाजे, आओ सा घूमर रे फिलवान, आओ सा घूमर रे फिलवान।
घूमर घूमर ऐसा घूमर घूमर
रंगीलो भारत
I thought I were visiting just one country, but now I know India's like a giant rainbow. Every state a different color, and together they make something beautiful.
Grandma, thank you for taking us on this magical tour. Your diary showed how diverse India is and how beautifully united we are.
Wherever we go in India, you carry a piece of it in your heart. And remember, India's heritage is not just in places, it's in people, traditions, stories, and you.
The audience, the show is not over yet. We have a special surprise for you. Our teachers now continue the celebration with a cultural parade. As they walk onto the stage, they bring a part of their own culture in front of you.
Coming from the different culture and backgrounds, our teacher brings from the lived experiences into the classroom, enriching our learning. Together they create vibrant mini India of the early primary wing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our beloved teachers.
Tadam kutaka takura de takira takira ta jum taka jum ta takita ta ta jum takira jum ta tadam ta rum ta takita ta de takira takira ta.
Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky.
Takita Nanistata, Runistata, Ministata, that jump, Tatanam, Tatarum, Tagadi, Takira.
Body, body pushing on me. Don't you in your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, when the baby won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body.
Jump. Dim, takita jump. Jump, takita jump, jump, takita jump, kita jump, Nanistata,
Body, body pushing on me. Don't you in your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, when the baby won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body.
Jump. Dim, jump. Nam, takita jump, dim, tom, nam,
Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky.
Jum, taka jum ta. Takita ta jum, jum ta tanum ta rum ta takita ta takira.
Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky.
Takita Nanistata, Runistata, Ministata, that jump, Tatanam, Tatarum, Tagadi, Takira.
Body, body pushing on me. Don't you in your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, when the baby won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body.
Jump. Dim, takita jump. Jump, takita jump, takita jump, kita jump, Nanistata,
Body, body pushing on me. Don't you in your body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, when the baby won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss it, daddy, body.
jump. Dim, jump. Nam tak tak kita jom ta ta dim tom nam ta 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 kita
May I request leadership team to come up for the picture? Please come. So there is a demand to play the music. Please play the music.
Exploding like fireworks in the sky.
Jum taka jum jum ta takita ta ta ta
Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky.
takita danatata 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 da jum tata nam tata rum tagadin takita
Medley for you. How many enthusiastic parents are here who would like to come up on the stage? Only few can come on the stage. Few could come here. Rest of you can dance wherever you are. Are you ready? On the count of 10, please come up on the stage. 1, 2, 9, 9.5. You have to really move, so manage the space. Okay, few of you can be on the ground floor also. Swapnal ma'am, please play.
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిట్ట దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు కిర్రు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సొట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప దొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 తీర నాటు 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 పూర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా పెంచనాటు నాటు 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 విచ్చు కందిలాగా వెర్రినాటు तुम गईया तू चंडीगढ़ तो आई नहीं काला दिल कुड़िए रोटी से काला दिल कुड़िए जो धागे तेरे टुकड़े दे तेनु काला चचमा तेनु काला चचमा तेनु काला चचमा गजरा गजराए कोरे मुखड़े तेनु काला चचमा गजराए कोरे मुखड़े
Okay, parents, for your own safety, I have to stop it because the stage is moving. You really broke the leg here. Thank you so much. So before I announce the dispersal plan, please settle down. Thank you so much. Now I know why all the teachers have become so slim. Did you get my joke? The 25 kids we are taking in the classroom, I know where the energy is coming from. Please be seated. The program is not over yet.
Spices of Andhra and Telangana, from the peaceful backwaters of Kerala to the royal desert of Rajasthan.
Dear audience, we hope you enjoyed this evening. Thank you for encouraging us with your loud applause. We will see next year. Until then, namaste, bye-bye, sayonara.
Ma'am, can you display the classes? So we wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti, happy journey to all those who are traveling. Ma'am, is it a holiday tomorrow? Right, so I request only one parent will go in the building, PYP building, to collect the child. Parents of asteroid, clouds and comets, Bias, Brahmaputra, Ganges, please go and collect your child. Parents of asteroid, clouds, comets, Bias, Brahmaputra, Ganges, they are in their classrooms. I'm sure you know the room number.